Hello students, myself Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gyan School, and here we will continue our 8th standard science chapter number 8, cell structure and function. So in the previous class we had learned the parts of the cell, that is cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole, cell membrane, and these are the common parts that is found in the plant cell also and animal cell also. In the plant cell the chloroplast is present. It is not present in the animal cell. Okay, now here we will discuss the function of the parts. What is the function of the nucleus, what is the function of the vacuoles, what is the function of the cell membrane. So here we will discuss that things. Nucleus, first one is the nucleus. Part of the cell is nucleus. Nucleus is found in the both cell. Nucleus consists of 4 parts, that is nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleus and chromosomes. But what is the function of the nucleus? So here you can see control all the activities of the cell. Okay, it controls all the life function taking place inside the cell. Now second one is the cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is thick jelly-like fluid inside the cell membrane. I will show you. I was showed you that is present in the both cell. That is yellow part. Whole yellow part is called cytoplasm. This is the jelly-like structure, and here creamish color that is cytoplasm, that is present in the whole plant cell. Okay, this is the jelly-like structure. It occupies the space between the cell membrane and nucleus. All the life function take place in the cytoplasm. There are many small cytoplasmic bodies in the cytoplasm, and it is main function, it stores dissolved material. Okay, all materials are dissolved in the cytoplasm. Now next is the cell membrane. What is the cell membrane? You can see here this is the cell membrane, outer line of the cell outside, that is cell membrane. Here inside of the inner side, that is the cell membrane. Cell wall is absent in the animal cell. Here is cell wall present. Here is cell membrane is also present, but in animal cell wall is absent, only cell membrane is present. Cell membrane is also called the plasma membrane. It forms the outer boundary. You can see it allows only certain selected substance to enter or leave the it allow only some substance to enter the cell. Okay, and the cell membrane separates cells from another and also from the surrounding medium. Okay, but what is the function? So you can see protect the cell and controls the flow of material in and out of the cell, right? So it allows some substance, not all substance to in the cell. It allow only some substance that is give benefit to the cell. So it allows only that material to in, and only some substance it can take out from the cell. Now next is the cell wall. Cell wall, you can see cell wall is not present in the animal cell. It is present only the plant cell. Okay, and what is the function? You can see give support and maintain the shape of the cell. Okay, now chloroplast is also present in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. Contains chlorophyll. For the process of photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and changes light energy to chemical energy. You can know that chlorophyll is present in only the plant, not in the animal. So chloroplast is also present in the plant, not in the animal. So chloroplast is making help to make the foods. Now vacuole is found in the both cell, that gap like structure. This white structure is called the vacuoles. in a plant cell it is a very large, but in animal cell sometimes it is a very small and sometimes it is not found in the animal cell. What is the function? It contains cell sap made of dissolved minerals. It is also help to dissolve the minerals in the cell. Now here I will tell you about the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What is the prokaryotic cell? What is the eukaryotic cell? So I will tell you what is the eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell are much larger than, more complex than prokaryotic cell. You can see it is a larger than prokaryotic cell. Yes, it is a small, it is a prokaryotic cell, and it is a eukaryotic cell. So it is a larger than prokaryotic cell. These cells contain a membrane bound and nucleus and DNA. A eukaryotic cells contain many members bound cell organ beside its nucleus. These organelles inside mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. Now here you can see the prokaryotic cell. What is the prokaryotic cell? So prokaryotic cells neither contain a well defined nucleus nor any internal membranes that are not connected to the plasma membrane. These cells have descended from the oldest form of life and the earth. Means here in prokaryotic, nucleus is not present, okay, and in the eukaryotic, nucleus is present, and other organelles are also present, like mitochondria, nucleus, nucleus. You can see nucleus is not present here. Nucleus is present, but nucleus is not present here. Okay, so this is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Also you can know about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Student, this is the onion peel cell. If you peel the onion, and you can prepare a slide and put this slide into under the microscope, you can see this type of cell. But how can we make this slide? So it is very easy. Now I will explain you the process of making onion peel onion peel slide. Okay, so what we material required? You can see onion, one onion, you can take one onion, and glass slide, slip cover glass slide, this is this glass slide, and slip cover that is put on the glass slide, and one microscope. First we cut the slice of an onion and peel off its skin, white skin. We can peel out its white skin. It is a one polythene type structure, and take out thin membrane present between two fleshy layers. Place it it on a clean glass. Okay, then put a drop of water to fleshy layer and place a cover slip over it. Observe the slide under a microscope. Now another method, you can take another slide on the onion peel stained with the safranin solution. This is the safranin solution, and you can take safranin solution with the help of dropper, and put 1 or 2 drops of the safranin solution in the onion peel, and wash this peel into the water, and again you can put onion peel on this slide and cover with the cover slip. What you see? You can see under the microscope a large number of cells side by side, this type. Okay, this type, and some large empty spaces exist in the cells. This empty space is called vacuoles, and you can find the nucleus also. The center distant body at the center of each cell is called the nucleus, and this nucleus is found in this dark black color is called the nucleus. Okay, so here our chapter is finished. I hope you can understand everything. So we will meet with the next chapter. Okay.